they're going to do what we think they're going to do, right? Okay, so summary. A minute to open, and we are all clear, right? 807. 807, all right, from 88. Let's go, baby. Remember that 805 is the high of the channel. So we broke the wave. Terrific. We knew it. 805 is the high of the channel. And target 1 is 807. From 88 that we're long, 88, 89, 90, right? Because we've known it for the last half an hour, right? We knew that 97 was, going to give it a little bit of a hard time. But we also know that momentum is going to take it. Momentum is in our side. And our job is, and we all know, right, that we want to stop break even, start trailing, right? Okay. It began at 91, and now we're going to bring it up. All right. So nicely taking 100, right? Even the fake gurus on YouTube, all those teenagers on YouTube that claim that they're big shot traders, even they know 800 is a psychological level. So the smart money, since they have to go to 807, they want to destroy these kids. Right now, they're all depleting their evaluation on their sponsor account. All right. We, on the other hand, are up. This is what, 804, right? From 88 or from 90. That's 12, 13, 15, 16, 17 points. That's what we're going to make on this trade. Okay, so, again, ladies and gentlemen, even the teenagers on YouTube, all those fake gurus, trading gurus, all those trading education vendors on YouTube, even they know that 804 is a double top, right? So it's not going to be easy to reach our 807. But we are already up 15 points, Mystique.
That's right.
Right? So I don't mind if you're locking here 804. Are you kidding me? That those of you who are strong and those of you who believe in the power of the future, then just hang in there and let it ride. Let me say that again. This is only target 1, You know that we scale in and we scale out. Or we're all in, scale out. And so depending on the market condition, or we're all in, all out. It depends. Where are we scalping? Are we letting it ride? Are we trend following? Which of the methodologies that we trade every single day is the one that this trade is at right now? So it all depends, right? Okay. Today, this is just target 1. So we have 2 and 3. We have 2 more, right? Because we get out 3 times, okay? 3 units. All right, so 10 contracts, right? That's what we trade here. Get out 3, 3, 4, or 3, 4, 3, or 4, 3, 3. Keep it as close. Trade 12, so you get out 4, 4, 4. That's it. That settles it. I don't know, Mystique. Correct me if I'm wrong, but is that 807 to the tick? Is it? I don't know. You tell me. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we know that resistance begins here. So we're going to pulse it out. Let's go ahead and take advantage of a counter trend, but you're not to get out of your main long position from 88, 90. Okay? Don't get all out. Just lock here. 15, 16, 17, 18 points. Target 1. Leave your other 2 units. All right, we're gonna manage it together here. All righty, okay. Is it possible, Mystique, that the market just recoils and drops and take our trail? Of course it is. Get back in our supports because we're going to target 2 and target 3 until I tell you that this uptrend it's over and now we're going sideways or we're going down. That's all there is to it. So be strong. Right, Mystique?
Absolutely.
That's the way to do it.
That's the way you do it.
Right? So listen, if 807, right? Think about this. If 807 it's not only is our target one, so if it's strong enough to be resistance, to be a target, why not? Of course it's strong enough, not that strong, to be a counter trend. Short it. Let's take advantage of every single move the market does. 807, look at that. It goes to 807 quarter. So we have a razor sharp entry short 807. Just the way we do it all the time. Right? Think about it. Right? And you have a lot of confidence in taking that counter trend because why? Because I just told you, hey, listen, this new rotation here, it's real. It's a swing high. Nobody knows what a swing high is. They eyeball it. But all these fake gurus on YouTube, they have no idea what a real swing high is. They just eyeball it. No. Here is mathematical. We know exactly when, whatever, it might look like a swing high, sometimes it's not. Here we know mathematically, because our system is a rule-based, proprietary system that tell us mathematically whether it is or is not. And I told you 10 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago, hey, listen, ladies and gentlemen, we're having a new rotation. This is a swing high, so we have two reasons why we should be extremely confident in shorting 87. It's target one. It's an automatic short. And number two, this high just happens to be a real swing high. Are you kidding me? Let's go ahead and take advantage. Do not get out of your long, right? But why not take advantage of the ebb and flow of the market? The market never goes anywhere in a straight line. So let's take advantage of the ebb and the flow, of the ebb and the flow, of the ebb and the flow. Now you tell me, what day trader can do that? Have you seen any videos on all these fake gurus on YouTube where they read the market and they tell you exactly what to do at every single move? I don't think so. They don't do it. They sell you expensive courses, but they don't prove it to you that they know what the hell they're talking about, do they? All right. So look at that beauty, right? Look at it. Look at it. Isn't it beautiful? We just made 19 points on the main play, and then we have a counter trend short 807, which is razor sharp entry. No hit. One tick, perfect entry, recoil, and that's what, 98? 98 for our 7. We just made 9 points on the counter trend in a couple of minutes. That, my friend, is called Capital Trade Center. All right, because remember, it's important that you know why the market is doing what it's doing. That's extremely important, because if you know exactly what's going on, where the price is going, how it's going to get there, and what is the smart money and everybody else do it, then you need to have all that information so that you can manage your positions. All right? Okay. So just like we knew when the price was going down that it wasn't a downtrend, it was a pullback, it was the smart money squeezing the bulls. Now our job is to figure out if this pullback is actually a new trend, or is this smart money actually again getting rid of the weak traders, right? And when I say the weak traders, I'm talking about real traders, not the fake gurus on YouTube, not all these 19-year-old kids on YouTube that sell trading education for 10 grand. And people buy it, naive, innocent traders, beginners don't know when they're being taken by these crooks, little kids, and not the so kids, there's a whole bunch of con artists selling garbage. So here, right here, 90, 95, we want to lock. Momentum takes it to 94. It's pretty good, right? Because we have plenty of room to get out and make 13 points from our short 807. Right here, right now, this is target one of the counter trend short 807. We're clear there, right? All right. Okay, so What do we need to do next? Well, terrific. So we are in a 95, 805, right? What is the price going to do? Is it going to take this low right here? Is this a swing low? Is it really how strong it is? Is this a new trend? Are we now in a downtrend? Is this a retracement? Or is this pullback a pullback in an uptrend? Is the price going to go? We need to know all that stuff before it happens. Right? You know, of course. So let me say it again. Just like we go short here, 807, because it's target one of the main play long from 88 that give us 19 points. Well, what is 94, 93? It's target one. So what do? We go long also. This is a counter trend. This is a counter trend of the counter trend. It's beautiful. It doesn't get any more beautiful than that. Of course, if you are all in, all out, then you're loving it because you're all out 87 and you are all out here. However, those of us who still believe in the future structure, then we go long here again, 93, right? Two reasons. Number one is the bounce of the uptrend, and it's target one of the bear, and it's an automatic long right here, 93. So, okay, so now we're taking, so what do? We go long here, 93, 94. It's an add to a winner because there are bulls that they're not getting all out. They know that we are in an uptrend and they want to go after target 2 and 3, just like we do too, right? It's just that we take advantage of the ebb and flow every single move. All right, so look at this. Look at the bounce, right? So pretty good, right? So we made 19 points on the way up. We made 12, 13 points on the way down. We add to a winner or we establish a new position long. Those of you who got all out 97, right? So that you can have an amazing win rate statistics of your trading. Then you're establishing a new position long right here, period. Our job is to let it ride all the way to 807. We know we're going to be leaping up and down. Eventually, we're expecting the price to take it and go to target 2, which I don't have it yet, but I will pretty soon. That's all there is to it. Okay? Now, is it gonna be a walk in the park? I guarantee it will not. All right? So but we're day traders. We came here to trade. Let's do it. So traders that trade what they see, which is laughable, right? Because they tell you, they have heard so many times, trade what you see, never trade what you think, because these are these are kids that they don't know anything about trading. Our edge is that we trade what we think. We think what's going to happen in the future, and that's what we trade, right? But sometimes we have to trade what we see. This is what we see. Oh, okay, terrific. We know it's a strong enough of support. Let's go ahead and take it. But we need to know what kind of trade we're taking, right? This long 93, 94, right, it's a counter trend of the short 87, and it's an add to a winner or an established new position long at support for the main play uptrend. You with me? So we need to know all of that all the time so that we know exactly what to do, because some of you are not even long. You're only short or you're only long, right? You don't take counter trend, which is perfectly fine, by the way. All right, no, I don't have any issue. But you hang around here a couple of weeks, a couple of years, and you'll start doing what we all do. So I'm gonna say this again. However, this is extremely advanced, right? So our job is to figure out whether this pullback is going to turn into the main play. Why? Because we always want to know which move is the strongest, which one is the one that has the biggest odds of giving us follow through, so that we know which of our position, where are we going to press the chips, which you will never gonna see one of those fake gurus that you do. All these kids, they don't know what pressing the chips is, by the way. All the teenagers that have, 1 and 2 million followers, and they make a lot more money than all of us put together with selling their garbage course for $500 or $2,000, and all the money that they make on YouTube, they make more money than all of us put together, right? They don't know what press the chips are, and they will never ever live stream and read the market as it's happening, because they know that they would be exposed. They don't even know what that is. So that's exactly our job right here. Let's see which one is the one that is going to give us the biggest odds, giving us a follow through, so that we can press the chips. Just go ahead and press the chips. Go bigger on it. If the odds of this, of such and such happening, that's the one that I want to have the biggest position, right? That's just mathematics, actually. That's not magic. That's mathematics. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So we're gonna bring target 215. We're gonna bring it down to 12. Okay, make sure that you bring it down to 12. Okay, so we have our target 107 gave us 19 points. The pullback gave us another 15 points, and now we are on our way to target 2, which was 15. But you know that the market is dynamic, it's changing all the time. It's no longer 15, so we have to bring it down to 12 now. Okay? Make sure you bring it down. So those of you paying attention, right? Where did this pullback, right? Where did it go? Right? Remember, ladies and gentlemen, 98. Is that 90? Is that 98? 97.75.